Hey guys, so we're on our way to pick up the van. I'm super excited, low-key nervous. I want to know like what design we're gonna end up getting because I know each van is like different and a little bit custom. But I'm so excited. Are you excited? Yep. Yeah, we're here picking up the van. It's going really smooth, but we'll show you the exact van that we get as soon as we get in. I look like Lil Wayne. Okay, y'all. Ignore me because I'm looking busted. But I'm so excited. We already in the van. We're going to do a tour when we park closer to our hotel. We did get a hotel for the first night because we're going to go to a Denver Nuggets game. And I'm excited about that too. So we're going to give y'all a tour before we get it all dirty. And yeah, so excited. Hopefully we can find somewhere to park. Alright. Alright, so we just left Walmart getting our groceries for the weekend. We have a really long drive to get to the actual hot springs, so I'm excited about that. And we are officially ready to go. We'll check back in with you guys once we make it to the hot springs, or probably on this pretty ride, because it's some really cute, like you can see like the Rockies and stuff. It just looks really cute, but yeah, we will check in. Alright y'all, so the sun is setting and we didn't got as set up as we possibly can. We set the bed up, our luggage is here, food is out, and the sun is setting and it looks so beautiful. I want to act like I helped, but Bae did that. He set this up pretty much by himself.
You can go sleep like this. Oh.
Good morning guys. So last night was our first night sleeping in the van. It was cold because mind you it's like -10 degrees here, but it wasn't unbearable. Like when you under the covers with another person, you're fine. I wouldn't suggest being in the cold weather in the van by yourself, but I think for the heat I would totally do this again. And honestly the view right now is so pretty that I feel like it was worth like being cold last night, and I got to smoke. Alright guys, well we're about to start our day. See you soon. You got it, babe? Babe on the meat. Babe got the good meat.
I'm talking on camera. Ain't like niggas do.
Looks so good. Hey y'all, so sleeping the second day was a lot easier. We had to keep the heater on. We turned it off like every couple of hours for like 30 minutes, and that helped a lot. And then we also ran the car before we went to bed and ran the car in the morning. And honestly, like, it's still warm in here, so that felt really, really good. I think we just need to get our system down. But yeah, overall I had an amazing trip. I would totally recommend Escape Camper Vans, especially if you want to just get like a little taste of what van life would be like. I low-key have a dream of like trying van life full time. And I feel like I got to live my little fantasy with the Escape Camper Van. So I would totally try it again. Maybe in a warmer climate, because I'm not gonna lie, I do feel like that will make it a little bit more enjoyable. We came to the hot springs at Orient Land Trust, like Valley View Hot Springs. It's in Colorado, and it's very like natural, and it was gorgeous. It was a beautiful trip. The first day was a little rocky, but we got it together, got our like systems down and got used to everything. I would say one of my favorite parts about the trip had to be cooking. Like, I loved cooking. I'll insert some clips. We made like baked potatoes, we made chili, we made eggs and bacon and toast for breakfast. I loved cooking together, so that was really, really fun. And then last night we made some s'mores. So yeah, I loved that. So the little kitchen area is like so cute, really easy to use. It's a little propane stove and a little mini refrigerator, which actually held more stuff than I thought it would. Like, it actually held a decent amount of stuff. We had like a 6-pack of beers, lots of food, and everything fit really, really easily. So yeah. Let's see what Tony thought. You know, y'all know it's a tough crowd, honey. So how was your trip? What was your favorite part?
Just getting in the van and staying heated.
Yeah. I was telling them.
Springs.
Yeah. Oh my God, we hiked to this spring that was like, what was like a quarter of a mile? It was like, it didn't sound far, but
This shit was like a mile.
it was like but it was like going steep up, and it was like a hot spring at the top. When I tell you, it looked like heaven. It was like steamy and warm and pretty. And then when we got out, oh my God, it was so cold. Like, it was so cold. We were like, literally, we went like, it's a clothing optional hot spring, so we were like, we didn't have clothes on, and we got out and it was like literally freezing outside. We had to dry off with one towel. I don't know, that was crazy. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want more travel vlogs. I hope it's not loud because we are headed down this mountain, and I'll see you in my next video.